Analogy for model. Lower level. The consciousness-based model is not an easy model to visualize. Not only is there perpetual recreation of infinite space, moment to moment, there are also multiple versions of the cosmos appearing to every sentient being. However, interestingly, we have today a very good analogy which can illustrate very well the multiple appearances of the cosmos at the lower level. This is the category of video games that is known as the first-person multiplayer games. This game is played online with multiple players simultaneously. If there are n persons playing simultaneously such a game, there will be n versions of the game ongoing, each on the computer of the person playing the game. This is similar to the n versions of the appearances of the cosmos for each of the n sentient beings. This behavior is due to the subjective characteristic of consciousness. The first-person perspective of the game means the player is always at the center of any view presented in the game. This is analogous to the here characteristic of consciousness. The sentient being is always at the center of the appearance of the cosmos. The video game is presented onto the screen frame by frame like a movie. This is similar to the moment-to-moment appearance of the cosmos. This is due to the now characteristic of consciousness. The actual player is of course not seen in the game itself. In a similar way, the source of consciousness cannot be found in the appearance of the cosmos. It only appears to emanate from a dimensionless point at the center. This is due to the hidden characteristic of consciousness. Higher level. Unfortunately, the appearance of the cosmos at the higher level has no such analogy. However, one good way to visualize it is to imagine an infinite conscious screen. The screen is aware of whatever that appears on it. A blank on the screen would correspond to the unmanifested mode of the self. It is conscious, but nothing has yet appeared on the screen for it to be conscious of. An image of the cosmos appearing on the screen would correspond to the manifested mode of the self. If any of the entities in the cosmos is to be made conscious, another version of the cosmos will appear on the screen but at a different location. This version will have the entity at the center. If there are n such sentient beings, there will be n versions of the cosmos appearing at n different locations on the screen. The following is a simple simulation of how it would look like for such a conscious screen in which there are varying number of sentient beings.